Sit, Sophie. There's nothing in there. Sophie, relax. Relax, Sophie. Alright, are you recording? Oh, okay. Well, today is the 19th of July. It's July. Wow.
Thursday?
Yeah.
4:09.
You're so cute. And we are gonna feed Sophie. Well, actually, Tegan is going to feed Sophie cheese by her mouth. Sophie's well trained. She's like a dolphin, basically. Though she has 4 legs and very hairy. Ready, Sophie? All right, pass the camera to me, Chi Chi.
I don't want to. I don't want to.
Here's our spectators, Danny, and then we got Ed over there. All right, and this is our. Come on, be a tough woman. I know you can do this.
I don't want to.
Come on.
I don't want to.
Time's running out, Chi Chi. Oh, we got our spectators stepping up. All right,
Do I
put it on.
like this?
Yeah, put it. Just, no, don't bite it. Put it on your lip.
Ew, she's gonna lick it.
Well, go brush your teeth then. This is great.
I'm scared. Can I put it on my nose instead?
Put your lips
Can I put it
together.
on my nose instead?
Yeah, if you want, I guess. That's not as awesome. Like, put your lips together
I
like
guess
that.
we've eaten dog food together, so it's
Yeah, that's true. We have.
Ready? Hold on a second.
Dude, this is already 1:30.
Go. Sorry. Ow, I touched it.
Alright,
No, wait.
Sophie?
Wait.
Alright, cheese is on.
Okay, sorry. Get it.
Sophie, gentle? What if she bites your face?
Here.
Oh crap, I'm gonna miss it. How do I stop this video?